This is CESSPOOOOL, South Bay, California. The name Cesspool came from my nickname. People just call me Cess, and it's a pool of shit that I'm making, so it's just a whole mess of things that I'm creating and putting out there. I design, I heat press, I silk screen, I sew it, I press it. It's not really outsourced, it's not a factory, it's just me. I make stuff that's not really made for everybody. It's like a certain type of person who fucks with the brand. It's alternative, DIY style, community-based. CESSPOOOOL is based in South Bay, California. That's home. A lot of energy comes from here, like local shows, small businesses, artists trying to build something out of nothing. Community is everything. DIY culture survives because we support each other. Whether it's at markets, at shows, going to art nights. I've done PR, I've worked events, I've been in creative spaces, and I know what it means to show up for people. A lot of my inspo comes from what's going on in my community and things that people and myself are advocating for. I can't really show up to every protest and do as much as like some of my friends can do. So I like to put some of my art out there in wearable form. Music, flyers, old scenes, old graphics. The kind of stuff you find in the trash. I just hope that CESSPOOOOOL remains and can be a part of that ecosystem. It's not fast fashion. It's slow and intentional, sometimes messy, but that's okay. Everything is made by hand. I upcycle, I rework, I press every single graphic myself, and I silk screen everything myself. If you buy anything from CESSPOOOOOL, it literally went through my hands. Who owns CESSPOOOOOOL? I do. It's women-owned, POC-owned, POC prioritizing when it comes to making merch and merch for bands and artists. Just me building it piece by piece. And when you're wearing CESSPOOOOOOL, you're part of something that's still growing and growing. More drops, more collabs, more building, still handmade. It's not a team, it's not a warehouse. It's my workspace and my time. If you know, you know. And that's CESSPOOOOOOL.